We begin with peer-to-peer suicide prevention. A school in Wayne County, the first in the district to introduce a different approach to suicide awareness. Thank you for staying with us. I'm Simon Shaquette.
And I'm Glenda Lewis. 7 News Detroit reporter Megan Daniels highlighting the voices and students and their advisors behind the peer-led effort at Redford Union High School.
It's hard for kids to focus on learning when they might be struggling with their mental health, but don't know where to turn. So advisors at Redford Union High School are empowering students to take matters into their own hands.
I could relate to that person more because they're in the same age group as me. You feel me? They might go through the same struggles that I go through.
It's called the Hope Squad.
We teach them the correct verbiage to use and the skills that they need to be able to be approachable.
A team of students and advisors who are working to make sure other students have an outlet when they're going through a mental health struggle.
They can decide what kind of a level of seriousness that has been brought to them, and they immediately then come to an advisor.
Advisors say they are enlisting the help of students not because they're trying to take a back seat, but because a student might be more comfortable opening up to a fellow classmate over an adult.
In order to help and prevent suicide, we need peers to be equipped with the ability to refer to a safe and trusted adult.
We really impress on them that they aren't therapists and they're not counselors.
According to the CDC, 10% of a school population will think, contemplate, or attempt suicide every year. Meaning at Redford Junior High and High School, that is over 100 students who could be struggling with their mental health, many in secret.
Last year, we did about 33 official assessments. So there's that many students who are not getting addressed because they're not coming forward.
Being armed with those stats, the adults came up with a game plan.
Equip students with that ability to, infiltrate literally every clique.
Tiffany Carlton and Lynn Adolfo are both social and emotional learning specialists. They say they noticed the big boom in mental health crises immediately after the return to school from COVID lockdowns.
Our students lack coping skills. It continues to be a barrier for student learning.
These advisors tell me pairing underdeveloped coping skills with underdeveloped communication skills is the perfect recipe for a mental health crisis in our schools.
Most people that I knew felt isolated or felt like they couldn't really speak to others.
Most of the kids in the Hope Squad that I spoke to say they've been there, and they hope they will be able to provide the help to their friends they wish they had.
I've seen it firsthand with my friends and my peers, and I wanted the student body to know that there is help and that they can talk to people because people do care.
In Redford, Megan Daniels, 7 News Detroit.
Thank you, Megan. And you don't have to be a student to get help with mental health. The 988 hotline is available around the clock. Just call or text 988. Remember, it's always okay to ask for help.